Everything is available here. Thing which is lacking is awareness.
Therapy is very exciting. It is a new therapy, and it is something that is very adaptable, and it is a therapy that can be taught easily, and it is reproducible. It's been an explosion of this type of procedure all over the world.
But TAVR opens up a new opportunity for them, where they could have the procedure done without running the risk, that high risk of death or that high risk of other complications.
There is absolutely no reason why TAVR will not do well in India like in other developed countries.
Not only it's about mortality, about the quality of life. After a major surgery, the patient may develop other complications. So these things could be avoided if we could have, we could go ahead with the TAVR.
I must tell you, I'm very pleased that this kind of awareness program is happening on TAVR. TAVR is a miraculous therapy.